Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Sheree. Welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back, and thank you so much for coming back. Let's jump right into this video. I picked up, if you can tell by the title, something from Dior. This is my first purchase from Dior. Dior is not a common store that I go into. Actually, Dior is not a common store, but Dior is not a store that I commonly go into often. I've been in before, but never really shopped for anything. They are all over the map. I'm seeing them everywhere now. But this particular item I've wanted for a really long time. It's been on my wish list. I just never made my wish come true. So without further ado, this is what it is. Look how cute it is. So if you know, go ahead, take a guess, put it in the comment section, tell me what you think it is. Of course I'm going to show you, but what do you think it is? I actually love this. I have wanted this for so long, and I have some other pieces like this in my collection, and I just think that these will be really nice to add in my collection and put it with it. I debated over and over, do I, don't I, do I, don't I? And I really did. So let's get into it. Let's take a moment for the packaging. I know we love the packaging. It's so like sleek. I like this like pebble grain. This is not pebble grain leather, but I like this like pebble grain material of the bag. I'm gonna keep this bag. I think it's super cute, and I'm gonna leave that ribbon tied because I can never tie it back how they tie it. And this is it. What happened? Oh, you guys, I already opened these. I did have a cute little ribbon on it, but I have already opened them, but this is how the box comes. It just says Dior. Very sleek, very classic, very timeless. It's so me. I love it. And so this is what I got. I'm so excited. If I can open the box. Comes like this in the little tissue paper. Like I said, I have opened these already, and ta-da! Right? Isn't that so gorgeous? I love it. These are, if you can't tell, comes with this little ribbon on it. This is a really cute little dust cloth for these to keep them in, stored in. So it comes like that. If you move the ribbon, you can see what I got, and it just says Dior. So I went with, and I got the classic Dior. I think they're called tribal earrings, and I got them in pearl on pearl with just a gold finish. So these are what they look like. They're super cute. You can see the gold in there just a tad bit. I never thought I was a pearl girl, but here recently I've been really loving the pearls. I think I'm gonna actually wear them today just to see how they look and give a try. Now normally when they give you care instructions, because it did come with the care instructions, normally I just, you know, toss them out because, you know, I pretty much know what I'm doing. But with these, I did want to take the time to be a little bit careful because I know that I don't want to spray. It says don't get them wet. So this is how they look on. I really love it. It's so classic, right? So I've really become that girl. I've really become like totally into pearls. I think they are so gorgeous. You can wear them dressy, you can wear them casual, you can wear them formal, you can use them for a wedding, you can use them for date night, you can use them for brunch, for girls night. I just think that they're classic, and I think I actually am gonna wear these today. So yes, this is my first purchase from Dior. I was extremely excited. Now I have my eyes on about 4 or 5 more things in there because they had some really nice stuff. I'm not into the handbags. I've seen a lot of them, but it's just not my zhuzh, you know. So, but I do like a couple pair of shoes. I did like some perfume. I did like some of the ready to wear and different things like that. So it was my very first purchase from Dior, and I believe they are fabulous. I actually love them. So I just wanted to come on really quickly and share and tell you too, if you have this pair, if you're thinking of getting them, they are simply gorgeous. I know a lot of times people feel that they can be heavy when you're talking on the phone. If it, you know, smashes to your ear, it doesn't. I wore them before, and like I said, I have another pair like this, and they're very comfortable. They're easy to wear. I normally don't even hold the phone. Who talks on the phone anymore? I don't know, but if you're a talker on the phone like that, you know, it wasn't hard to do that. And I'm wearing my new lip. I don't know if you remember, if you watched the video back, I was telling you that I have picked up this nice Rouge Allure lipstick from Chanel, and I'm wearing it today. It's so super cute. It's matte on my lip. There's no shine. I might put a shine on, but I like it. It's so comfortable. It's so light. I've had it on for not too long, but the wear is really good on it. So that's it, you guys. This was a really quick video. I just wanted to pop on and share with you something that I picked up from Dior, and it was so special. Like I said, it had been on my wish list. I just never made it happen. Finally went in the store and was able to pick them up and purchase them, and these are called the Tribal Classic Dior Pearl on Pearl earrings. They're just super cute. So if you have any questions about these, leave them in the comment section below. I will be so happy to answer them for you. I hope you've enjoyed this video. On my channel, I cover fashion, beauty, luxury, lifestyle. So if you like any of those things or all of those things, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your time. Until next time, be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching. Bye.